Are you passionate about agriculture and wondering about the scope after completing your BSc in agriculture degree? Well, you are in the right place. In this video, we will explore the vast scope and opportunity that await you in the agricultural industry. Upon completing your BSc in agriculture degree, you open the doors to a wide range of exciting career paths and opportunities. Agricultural research and development. With a BSc in agriculture, you can contribute to groundbreaking research and development in the field. Whether it's developing new crop varieties, improving agricultural techniques, or finding innovative solutions and address climate change sustainability challenges, you can play crucial role in shaping the future of agriculture. Farm management and operations. Another promising avenue is farm management and operations. You can utilize your knowledge and skills to manage agricultural enterprises, oversee crop production, livestock management, and implement modern farming techniques. This role allows you to make strategic decisions to optimize productivity and profitability. Agribusiness and marketing. The agribusiness sector offers a wide range of opportunities. You can work in marketing, sales, supply chain management, or even start your own business venture. This field requires skill in marketing, analysis, branding, and understanding consumer preference to promote and distribute agricultural products and effectively. Agricultural extension and advisory service. If you enjoy working directly with farmers and rural communities, a career in agricultural extension and advisory services may be ideal for you. As an extension officer, you will be provide valuable guidance, training, and support to farmers, helping them adopt new technologies, best practices, and navigate challenges they face. Government and policy. The agricultural sector plays a vital role in economy and requires policies and regulation to ensure its growth and sustainability. With your expertise in agriculture, you can work in government agencies, non-profit organizations, or international development programs to shape agricultural policies, promote food security, and contribute to rural development. Entrepreneurship and innovation. If you have an entrepreneurial spirit, your BSc in agriculture can serve as a solid foundation for starting your own agricultural business. From organic farming venture to specialized crop production or value-added food processing, the opportunities for innovation and entrepreneurship in agriculture are vast. Agricultural consulting. As an agricultural consultant, you can offer specialized knowledge and expertise to farmers, agribusiness, or government agencies. This role involves analyzing data, conducting on-site assignments, and providing valuable recommendations to optimize agricultural operations, increase productivity, and enhance sustainability. Agricultural journalism and communication. If you have flair for writing, storytelling, or multimedia production, you can pursue a career in agricultural journalism and communication. By sharing agricultural stories, writing articles, creating videos, or hosting podcasts, you can educate and raise awareness about the industry, emerging trends, and sustainable practices. Agricultural education and academia. With your BSc in agriculture degree, you can inspire the next generation of agricultural professionals. Pursuing a career in agricultural education or academia allows you to teach, conduct research, and contribute to the development or new knowledge and techniques in the field. You can shape the mind of future agricultural leader and innovator. International agriculture. The agricultural industry extends beyond border, offering opportunities for international work and collaboration. You can join organizations that focus on global agricultural development, participate in international research projects, or work in sustainable farming initiatives in developing countries. This path allows you to experience different cultures while making positive impact on food security and rural livelihoods. In conclusion, the scope after completing your BSc in Agriculture degree is vast and varied. From research and management to marketing, extension services, policy, entrepreneurship, consulting, journalism, education, and international work, the agricultural industry offers a world of possibilities. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, then please subscribe our YouTube channel AgriFutura and share with your friends.